In 1884, a railroad man named William Newton Monroe looked upon the brush-covered foothills of the San Gabriel Valley and saw a future. He purchased the land, and by 1886, the Monrovia Land and Water Company was born. They called it the Gem City of the Foothill. Victorian mansions rose from the dust. It was a boom town built on citrus, granite, and pure ambition. But the true lifeline arrived in 1903. The Pacific Electric red cars, steel rails that connected this quiet enclave to the beating heart of Los Angeles. Myrtle Avenue became the pulse of the city. A place where history wasn't just written, it was lived. Today, Monrovia stands as a testament to that vision. A city that honors its past while forging its future.